Want to make sure your Galaxy Watch 6 battery is in good health? You can quickly check if your watch battery is working properly from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me show you how to do it. First, head into Setting. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel. And then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostics. Tap Watch Diagnostic. Now, tap Battery Status icon to start checking it. Here, you will see the information about your Galaxy Watch 6 battery. It will show the current battery health and its capacity, and whether everything is normal. If there are any issue with the battery, you will notice it here. This method is great for making sure your watch battery is performing well, and it's especially useful if you've been experiencing any charging problems or battery drain. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.